erosion, you're going to stand in this area. Okay? Try not to get this way. And then deposition is over here, so anywhere in this area. Please try not to hit the board. Okay? I am going to have you guys in a moment. Stand up, push your chairs in a moment. Stand up, push your chairs in a moment. Stand up, push your chairs in. You guys will stand behind your chairs. I will read you an example. You will decide if it's weathering, erosion, or deposition, and go to that area of the room. It's a little review game. Okay? However, don't follow the crowd. You guys need to know where you're going. I'm going to ask you guys what the keywords are. How did you know that for some of them? All right? Good to go? Any questions? Stand, push your chairs in. Washing away soil down a hillside. Rain washing away soil down a hillside. Go to either weathering here, erosion, or deposition. Rain washing away soil down a hillside. Final selections, go where you think. Okay. Why did you guys go to deposition? Someone speak from your group.
Well, it had the keyword washing away.
Okay, washing away. So, what would washing away mean to you?
I picked the wrong one.
Okay, hold on. Someone from this group, and you guys raise your hands, who would like to say why they chose erosion? Why they chose erosion? Sarah, why did you guys choose erosion?
Because it's going down a hillside and it's carrying the particles in the set.
Good. And Caitlin, is she saying it's going down a hillside? What is it doing? It's moving, right? Okay, so what do you guys think now? Does everyone see why? Because deposition would be depositing in a new area and like new landform is created basically. Okay? Here goes the next one. A mudslide flowing down a steep hill. A mudslide flowing down a steep hill. No one's moving?
No.
Why not? We're good. Richard, why aren't you moving? That is the right answer. Good. So good job staying where you are. Here goes another one. Waves dropping sand on the beach. Waves dropping sand on the beach. Waves, what is that exact answer? Waves, go wherever you think. You're allowed to go somewhere different. Waves dropping sand on the beach. I'm going to ask that you guys try not to talk so everyone can hear. Richard, how do you think? Thank you. Yes, Zach.
Question: if we get the real and new one, can we get it out? To be like,
I'll give you guys like a second, yes, to like kind of go over it. Okay, so you guys chose deposition. Dropping was your key word. Dropping. We're going to do two more. Glaciers scraping rocks across the Earth's surface as they move. And these should sound familiar. Glaciers scraping rocks across the Earth's surface as they move. Glaciers scraping rocks across Earth's surface as they move. Are you guys choosing deposition?
No, wait.
Okay.
I'm thinking.
I'm going to read it again. Quiet, please. Glaciers scraping rocks across the Earth's surface as they move. This is a tricky one. Alright, so we're kind of almost half and half here. Everyone go where you're staying. Stay there now. We have some for weathering, some for erosion. Why do you guys pick erosion, Lily?
Because it says scraping as they move. They could be picking it up, not making them get any smaller. They could just be taking it.
Okay, she said it could not be getting any smaller. It could just be picking it up as it's moving. Richard, why did you go to weathering?
Because when the glacier scrapes across, say bedrock on the ground, it crushes them up and makes them into smaller pieces.
So he is going the aspect here of it's scraping, it's breaking it up, and that is where you should be. It is weathering. I see why you guys did that because it has the word move, but be careful because what it's telling you is it's scraping, so it's actually making smaller pieces off of a big piece is why it is weathering. Everyone see that? Okay, go ahead and sit back down, please. Okay, I need everyone sitting. What you guys are going to do now, and all eyes up here please, this is an exit slip. We've done these before. It's exactly what we just did with class. We are now finishing up shaping our surface. Yay! So this is kind of your final thing. On here it says directions. On the line, write what kind of change is taking place. Use weathering, erosion, or deposition to fill in the blanks. The first one says a glacier scraping off pieces of rock as it moves. Should sound familiar. So you guys will either write weathering, erosion, or deposition on the line. There's 15 of them. Listen, you guys should be able to go through and look for keywords. If you want to underline, you can do that. Okay? I know the question's going to be, can we write a W, a D, and an E? No, I would like you guys to write the words out so we practice how to spell them. Okay? Once you are done with this, you're going to set it in the bin, the black bin. You're also, actually, you're going to set it in the red basket right here because they're smaller. Okay, you're going to set it in this. And then your anticipation chart is going to go in the black bin. So everyone will complete this. First and last name and period number. This is your exit slip. You guys are going to then turn your anticipation chart in. The exit slip is first. And after we get these done, I will do the drawing because it is technically our Friday today. Okay, so I need everyone finishing these. Concentrate. And you can turn them in. Exit slip first, then anticipation chart. So this is so I can see how you guys are doing. Yes. Yes, you're going to complete the anticipation chart. She had a great question, Sarah did. Do you have to complete the after the unit part? The answer is yes. You're going to complete the after the unit part. You can do any symbol you want, and then you're doing the exit slip. Go ahead and begin.